Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for graphic design. First, navigate to Canva's website or open the app. You will find a vast library of templates for social media, presentations, and more. Choose a template that suits your project or start with a blank canvas. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes customizing elements straightforward and fun, even for beginners. Once you have your canvas, explore the powerful design tools. The text tool allows you to add headings, subheadings, and body text, with hundreds of fonts available. Browse the Elements tab for icons, shapes, and photos to enhance your design. You can easily change colors, adjust transparency, and arrange layers to create depth and visual interest in your graphic. For more personalized designs, upload your own photos, logos, and brand elements directly. Utilize the Brand Kit feature to save your brand colors, fonts, and logos, ensuring consistent branding across all your creations. Canva also supports seamless team collaboration. You can invite up to 500 members to edit and comment on projects together, streamlining your workflow. After perfecting your design, it is time to share it with the world. You can download your work in several formats, including high-resolution JPG, PNG, or PDF for print. Share directly to social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook with just a few clicks. For physical copies, Canva Print offers professional printing services, delivering your designs right to your doorstep.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.